Have you ever felt like there's a hidden switch in your mind, one that could turn your deepest desires into your living reality? Today, I'm not just going to show you this switch, I'm going to teach you how to flip it. This isn't about just sitting in silence or calming your thoughts. This is about unlocking a secret chamber within you, a chamber where your untapped potential and deepest desires can intertwine and come to life. You've seen others seemingly bend reality to their will, effortlessly attracting success, love, and abundance. What if I told you that you possess the same extraordinary power and it's been waiting for you, nestled in the depths of your consciousness? Today, we shatter the myths, break down the barriers, and embark on an expedition to the core of your being, where the magic of manifestation is not just a possibility, but your new reality. Prepare to redefine what you thought was possible. Let's awaken the master manifester within you. Are you ready to witness your world transform? Let's dive into the realm where dreams are crafted into existence. Now, since you've just crossed the threshold into a world where your mind is the architect of your reality. But let's pause for a moment. When you hear meditation, what comes to mind? Perhaps monks in serene temples, or maybe a fleeting trend on social media. It's time to redefine meditation, peel back the layers of myths, and reveal its true power as a tool for manifestation. Many of you might think of meditation as just a relaxation technique, a way to de-stress after a long day. While that's one of its benefits, it's like saying the ocean is just water. Meditation is an ocean of untapped potential. It's a journey to the depths of your consciousness where the seeds of your desires lie dormant, waiting to be awakened. Now, let's address a common misconception. You don't meditate to escape reality. You meditate to transform it. It's not about disconnecting from the world, but about connecting more deeply with yourself and, in turn, reshaping your external world. When you meditate, you're not just sitting in silence. You're entering a dialogue with the universe. You're tuning into a frequency where your desires and the universe's intention for you converge. Dreams. So, how does this work? Every thought you have, every dream you nurture, carries a vibration. These vibrations are like radio waves, invisible yet powerful. When you meditate, you amplify these vibrations, sending a clear, potent signal to the universe. This is where manifestation begins. It's not magic in the mystical sense, it's magic grounded in the real, tangible power of your consciousness. Imagine your mind as a garden. Every thought is a seed. Some seeds grow into beautiful flowers. These are your positive, empowering thoughts. Others grow into weeds, choking your garden with doubts and fears. Meditation is the act of gardening your mind. You nurture the flowers and remove the weeds. It's a process, a commitment, a journey towards a mind that breeds abundance. But remember, the mind is complex. It's full of contradictions and deep-rooted beliefs, some of which may be blocking your path to manifestation. That's where the real power of meditation lies, in uncovering and uprooting these barriers, allowing your true desires to flourish. As we move forward, keep this in mind. Meditation is not just a practice, it's a transformation. It's about aligning your inner frequency with the universe's, about becoming a magnet for the life you desire. The journey you've embarked on today is not just about learning a technique, it's about unlocking a part of you that holds the key to your dreams. As we delve into the heart of meditation for manifestation, it's essential to understand that this isn't just a practice, it's a transformational journey, a journey that reshapes your reality from the inside out. Let's explore how this powerful tool, when wielded with intention and understanding, becomes your gateway to manifesting your deepest desires. Firstly, consider the concept of mindful awareness. In our daily hustle, we're often disconnected from our true desires. We chase fleeting goals, mistaking them for our heart's true calling. Mindful awareness is the beacon that guides us back to our authentic path. When you meditate, you cultivate this awareness. You learn to distinguish between the noise of the world and the voice of your inner truth. This clarity is the first step in aligning your desires with the universe's intentions. This clarity is the first step in aligning your desires with the universe's intentions. Now, let's talk about the power of visualization during meditation. Imagine your mind as a canvas where every thought paints a stroke. In meditation, you become the artist of this canvas, consciously choosing the images you paint. Visualize your goals as already achieved and feel the emotions associated with this achievement: joy, gratitude, fulfillment. This practice isn't mere daydreaming, it's an act of creation. Your mind, unable to distinguish between real and vividly imagined experiences, begins to align your reality with these visualizations. But how do you enhance this process? The key lies in emotional resonance. Every desire has an emotional signature, be it the joy of success, the peace of financial security, or the warmth of love. In your meditative state, when you align your emotions with your visualizations, you create a powerful vibrational match for your desires. This resonance is like a magnet, attracting experiences that match these emotions. Another critical aspect is belief. Doubt is a manifestation's greatest enemy. Through meditation, you embark on a journey of transforming belief. You confront and release limiting beliefs, those inner voices that say you can't or it's impossible. Each meditative session is an opportunity to reinforce empowering beliefs, to feed your mind with the conviction that what you desire is not only possible, but is already on its way. Now, since we're speaking about the power of thoughts and words, while you are watching this video, you must send a message to the universe. Write in the comments section, "I am open to receiving unexpected money and opportunities." Lastly, consistency is key. Meditation for manifestation isn't a one-off experiment, it's a committed practice. Each session builds upon the last, creating a cumulative effect that transforms not just your mind, but your entire reality. In the next part of our journey, we will explore practical steps and techniques to effectively integrate meditation into your daily life for manifestation. Remember, the path to your dreams isn't linear. It's a spiral, ascending higher with each meditative practice. Stay tuned as we unveil the strategies to turn your meditation sessions into a powerful catalyst for change. Let's now seamlessly weave meditation into the rhythm of your everyday life. This isn't about adding another task to your to-do list. It's about enriching your daily routine with a practice that elevates your existence. Imagine your day as a canvas where each activity is a brushstroke. Meditation becomes the color that enhances the entire picture. Start by establishing a small sanctuary in your home, a quiet spot that calls to you, inviting you to pause and breathe. This space, simple yet sacred, becomes your personal retreat, a physical reminder of your journey towards transformation. Ease into your practice with just a few minutes each day. Let this be your time of peace, a brief escape where you align with your inner self. Picture your meditation sessions as islands of tranquility in the ocean of daily life. Sit down, close your eyes, and focus on the rhythm of your breath. Feel each inhale and exhale weaving calmness into your being, anchoring you in the now. As you grow comfortable in this space, start to paint your desires with the brush of visualization. Envision your dreams as vivid realities. Feel the emotions of achievement and success coursing through you. Let these feelings permeate your practice, turning your meditation into a powerful visualization of your deepest aspirations. But don't confine this awakened awareness to your meditation sessions alone. Let it flow into every aspect of your day. Be fully present in each moment, whether you're savoring a meal, engaging in conversation, or simply walking. This continuous thread of mindfulness weaves your desires into the fabric of your everyday life, keeping you aligned with your goals. After each meditation, take a moment to reflect. Perhaps keep a journal where you can capture your thoughts and insights. This isn't just a record of your journey, it's a dialogue with your evolving self, a testament to your growth and deepening understanding. And remember, the key to this transformative journey is consistency. Make meditation an integral, non-negotiable part of your daily rhythm. Patience and persistence are your companions here. Change might be gradual, but each day you're taking a step closer to aligning your inner world with the abundance of the universe. As our journey today comes to a close, I want you to carry with you the essence of everything we've explored. Remember, meditation is more than a practice. It's a gateway to a world where your reality is shaped by the power of your thoughts, your intentions, and your deepest desires. You now stand at the threshold of an extraordinary transformation. Each moment of meditation is a step towards aligning your inner universe with the boundless possibilities of the world around you. It's not just about closing your eyes to the world. It's about opening your heart to a new way of living, of being. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.